Here is a short video to explain the upgraded marking feature on the Pro Plus. You select the marking function. In here we have 4 options for marking. These first 3 are timer settings, so we can mark for 5 seconds at a time, 10 seconds at a time, 15 seconds at a time, or continuously. The reason behind this is in the timer modes you may have small stencils to mark, like this area here, where you need to, because the longer you mark for, the darker your marking becomes. So you may want consistent markings if you're doing hundreds of parts at a time, and you need to get the same consistent black each time. So this way you can mark for 5 seconds, or 10 seconds, or 15 seconds in cycles. Alternatively, you may have a larger stencil where you need to go over it. This is what the continuous mode's for on this function here. You see the power output, we have 2, 5 and 10 amps. The more power, the faster the marking.